If you like unboxing, review and comparison, subscribe now. Hi, today we got a delivery of Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra Clone, which is identical with real S20 Ultra. See, the box is exactly like real box by Samsung S20 Ultra. 128 GB and all other features of this phone is written on the backside of the box. 24 months of warranty has been given by Samsung Smart Care. This is a completely sealed box with a plastic wrap. Let's unbox it. This is the S20 Ultra phone. Let's see what are the accessories inside the box that came with this phone. This clone phone provided one user handbook, very light charger adapter with USB port, one headphone with 3.5 mm jack, USB cable for charger and data transfer, one plastic rubber case. Material is very soft. One ejecting pin for SIM card tray. Oh, you also get one display protector. Samsung is written on bottom center side. This one amazed me. I think the real Samsung Ultra does not come with display protector. Now let's see the phone. There is a sticker on the display, and this phone seems heavy. Color of this phone is milky white. It has 5 cameras. One is space zoom 100x camera. On the back side there is one logo CX. I don't know much about this, and some warnings are written. On the top side of this phone you will find the same tray. On the right side power buttons and volume keys are there. Weight of the original Samsung Galaxy S10 is 158 gram. Weight of this clone S20 Ultra is 196 gram. Weight the original S20 Ultra is 222 gram. Remove the sticker from display. If you remove the backside sticker, you will see the phone is not milky white. Backside of this phone looks like original Prism White Galaxy. On the downside, you will see speaker, microphone, micro USB charging port, and 3.5 mm headphone jack. When you switch on the phone, Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra appears on the display, and Samsung appears in the way you will not believe this is a clone phone. I don't know which language is this, but you can change it from settings. On the display, there is one temporary plastic protective cover. If you remove that, you will see the display is more clear. The operating system is very slow. I bought this phone only for an experiment. I don't think this is a good idea to buy a clone phone. You can follow your other Samsung phone, raise the language settings, then change the language as you prefer.